when a peacock spots their bay?
Oh, Shmitty, get a real job. Oh, Shmitty, YouTube's not gonna support you for the rest of your life. Shmitty, YouTube money isn't everything. Shmitty, you really need to get a real job. Shmitty, you need experience. Shmitty, Shmitty, Shmitty. You need to conform to the social norms of every single person in this world. Live, work, and die. Well, I listened to all the things you had to say. Everyone. And I did. I got a job. Some finally let me represent their business. Kentucky Fried Chicken, baby! I love a bit of KFC. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Oh yeah, Kentucky Fried Chicken. I love a bit of KFC. Who am I? I Miss KFC 2016. Kentucky Fried Chicken, some popcorn chicken, and a chicken drumstick. Oh